Quiz time! Hello, explorers! Clue: this climbing plant gives a famous sweet flavor. Which plant? A. Cocoa. B. Vanilla orchid. C. Cinnamon. Correct! Vanilla orchid. Vanilla comes from the cured pods of this orchid species. It's one of the most valuable spices in the world because its pollination and processing require careful manual work. Vanilla is used in desserts, perfumes, and aromatherapy for relaxation. The plant thrives in tropical climates with shade and humidity. Okay, see you next time!